Hi, I still get questions on what is Shilajit and what are the benefits. Today I'm going to talk about 10 benefits of Shilajit for both men and women. But before I go into it, Shilajit is mainly mineral deposit at the top of a highest mountain. One of the mountain is the Himalayan mountain, and so they collect this mineral deposit at the top of the mountain, purify it, and we are consuming it as a supplement. So it's purely natural. Depending on where you are getting your own from, though, there are different forms of Shilajit. We have the gummies. These are the ones I have, the gummies, the capsule, and the resin. The gummies is in a toffee form for those, it's like toffee. For those who don't like medication, you can go in for the gummies and it will help you get all the benefits you need from Shila. Just although it will look like you're taking toffee. They all do the same thing at the end of the day, but then they are in different forms. The next one is the resin. The resin is in a liquid form, and so you add it to warm water morning and evening. And then the next one is capsule. There are three different capsules. I'll talk about all of them with time. In the next video, I'll talk about all of them. So these are the three different capsules of Shilajit we have. So you can either go for the capsule, the resin, or the gummies. You don't take two of them at the same time. So you take either this, or this. Only one of this at a time. These are 10 benefits of Shilajit for both men and women. The first one is it helps to improve your sexual health. And so both men and women are controlled by something we call hormones, and it's this hormone that makes drives your appetite for sex, and is this hormone that make you perform well in bed as a man. Women are not supposed to perform. Don't come for me, but me, I don't think women are supposed to do anything. I believe they should be pillow so yeah, back to, let's be serious here. So yeah, there's this hormone called testosterone, right, in men, and this is what makes a man a man. This is what helps you to produce sperm, enough sperm, quality sperm. This is what helps you to grow beard as a man, and that's what makes you a man in general. And with time, as you age, the production of this hormone goes down, and so supplements like Shilajit helps to boost the production of this hormone so that even if you're old, teenage now see you as a man, he gets it. Uh-huh. If the I have code, sorry. If the testosterone level in your system is low, that's when you experience something like low sperm count, erectile dysfunction, infertility, premature ejaculation. It can be as a result of low testosterone in your system. But if you have those issues, please confirm from a medical doctor before you come and say, "Oh, this is my issue, so give me Shilajit." For women, it helps to balance your hormones. Women are also controlled by hormones. It helps to balance your hormone. It's your hormone that controls your fertility and also your menstrual cycle. Obi wɔ hɔnom a ne period bɛba yɛ next na ɛmba those things. So Shilajit helps to balance your hormone. Obi wɔ hɔnom a ɔwɔ hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalance can cause a lot of things in women. It can let your sex drive go down. It can cause irregular menstruation and a whole lot. So yeah, Shilajit helps to balance your hormone in both men and women, and also helps to improve your sexual health. That's 2 points. Maybe I've written them here. The next one is anti-aging. Shilajit is packed with a lot of minerals and vitamins and also fulvic acid that helps, and also has antioxidant properties that helps to improve the appearance of your skin, your nails, your hair, and also make you look more youthful. Anti-aging, won't look more than your age, you look jeje, you know that thing. The next one, it strengthens immunity. It helps to boost your immune system. It's your immune system that fights infections when they engulf the body or when they come into your system. And so obi on my Arabia trim or baby chan and sanwako and no cold it's no way or no. It's probably because your immune system is low. So just get Shilajit. It's a natural supplement. Any side effects be so you can get it and it will help to boost your immune system so that yeah, and then me are rich, now me are and them higher me and no, you go. The next one, it helps to improve nutrient absorption. Obi onoma odidi nso onye kese. And also obi onoma odidi but onye aduane ne benefit is because probably the nutrients are unable to absorb well into your system. So taking Shilajit helps to improve the ahoɔden na ɛwɔ aduane na wodi nim no. Ebetumi aboa ma ahoɔden no your body will absorb the nutrients it needs from the food you're eating. So that's one of them. It detoxifies the body. yeah, didi, yeah, nom, yeah, corny, yeah, bas. We are eating, drinking here and there. There are lots of unwanted things in our system. So taking Shilajit helps to sweep, it sweeps your body, helps to sweep your body from toxins, any other thing the body doesn't need. It helps with your liver, your kidney, so that a bit free kakra. We won't say the end. And then supports bone and joint health. Where yeah, omo in penny for no, if your parent is always complaining of and then me see me ya each time me to dre me come they be at their joint or their bone is paining them, it helps with that a lot. So if you know of anybody struggling with bone or joints problem, just give them instead of the normal pharmacy medication. I'll probably recommend Shilajit. Once I'm in number, I'll probably recommend Shilajit for the person since it's natural. And then I think I've said all. It boosts your energy and also it helps to improve your sleep for those it helps to improve your sleep. It helps to calm your system down. um it helps. I was going to give an example, but it helps to calm your system down so that your body will look youthful and more energetic the next day. Nti after a long day work, wa brain no, yes, take some of the shilajit and they bet you not which now so then ding. So yeah, I wouldn't want to be replying what is Shilajit, what is the benefit? So I'll pin this video on my page. Please, I beg you. If you want any other explanation, Google is free. You know why Google is free? So that everybody can get access to it. At least I've mentioned 10 benefits. You too, do your finding, do your research. If you have any problem, don't come and ask, please, does Shilajit do this? Please check on Google. I beg you. I equally read on Google and pay my little science background and I'm giving you this information. So please do your findings. So if you have any other if you have any other question, I'll be more than helpful to ask. Now for the prizes, for the gummies, we have only 7 gummies left. We have gummies for 200 cedis. This is 140, the resin, and then the capsule is 170 each. So the 18 one is 170. The This one is 170, and then the Shilajit Ultra is also 170. I'll talk about the benefits of each of them. The capsule, especially, they have other herbs in them. So the benefits of the other herbs in them, but the main component is Shilajit. This is mainly Shilajit. This one has no other component in it. So yeah, thank you so much. I don't know if you watch all the way here, but then thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.